Welcome to the What If AI Vid YouTube channel. We're glad you've joined us on this exciting journey to the mysteries of our universe. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell, so you never miss any of our thrilling explorations. Today we're embarking on a fascinating, albeit hypothetical, journey to the red planet Mars. We'll delve into what it's like on Mars, the challenges one might face, and the question on everyone's mind: could humans survive there? So strap in because we're about to take off. Ever wondered what would happen if you were to spend 5 seconds on Mars? Well, let's set the stage first by understanding the red planet itself. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system, is often called Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition. Yet it is in fact quite different. Mars is about half the diameter of Earth and has only about 1/10 of Earth's mass. This means the gravity on Mars is only about 38% of Earth's. That's less than half. The Martian atmosphere is incredibly thin, composed mainly of carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon. It's so thin, in fact, that it provides virtually no protection from the sun's harmful radiation. Moreover, the distance between Earth and Mars varies greatly as both planets orbit the sun, ranging from 33 million miles to 250 million miles. Now that we have a basic understanding of Mars, let's delve deeper into what a 5-second stay on the planet would entail. Imagine being exposed to the radiation on Mars, even for just 5 seconds. The red planet's thin atmosphere and lack of a magnetic field mean that it's not as protected from cosmic radiation as Earth is. This radiation comes from the sun and from sources outside our solar system, and it's much more intense on Mars. We're talking about a level of radiation that is 100 times more than what we're exposed to on Earth. This radiation isn't just a one-time danger, it can have both immediate and long-term health effects. In the short term, exposure can cause nausea and fatigue, but the real concern is the long-term effects, which include an increased risk of cancer and damage to the nervous system. So it's not just about surviving those 5 seconds on Mars, it's about what happens after you return to Earth. So the radiation levels on Mars are quite high, but what about the temperatures? How would you fare with the extreme temperatures on Mars? Let's take a dive into the Martian thermometer. On an average, Mars is pretty chilly. Daytime temperatures at the equator might reach a relatively balmy 20 degrees Celsius, but don't pack your beach gear just yet. At night it can plummet to a bone-chilling minus 73 degrees Celsius. That's colder than the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth. Now imagine this roller coaster of temperature changes in just a single Martian day, which by the way is only about half an hour longer than an Earth day. It's like experiencing a harsh winter and a mild summer every single day. These extreme temperatures would indeed present a significant challenge to any human daring enough to spend 5 seconds on the red planet. Clearly, the temperatures on Mars are far from hospitable, but could a human survive a 5-second stay? Could you survive 5 seconds on Mars? It's a question that tickles the imagination and demands an answer. Let's delve into it. The 3 essential factors for human survival are oxygen, pressure, and temperature. Unfortunately, Mars falls short on all 3. Its thin atmosphere is primarily carbon dioxide, with only traces of oxygen. The atmospheric pressure is less than 1% of Earth's, and the temperatures can plummet to 80 degrees below 0 Celsius. However, don't lose hope just yet. Scientists and engineers are working on potential solutions. We could use specially designed spacesuits to provide oxygen, pressure, and insulation. These suits, combined with rapid transport technologies, could make a 5-second stay on Mars a reality. The key to survival lies in our ability to innovate and adapt. So, a 5-second stay on Mars would certainly be challenging, but potentially survivable with the right equipment. But what does the future hold for Martian exploration? As we look forward, the picture becomes increasingly exciting. Scientists are already brainstorming ways to make Mars more habitable for humans. One idea is to terraform the planet, transforming its environment to make it more Earth-like. This could involve introducing certain bacteria that can convert Mars's carbon dioxide into oxygen. Or we might construct domed cities, providing both shelter and a controlled environment. There's also the possibility of mining Mars for water and other resources, which could aid in long-term survival. The future of Martian exploration is brimming with possibilities, and every new discovery brings us one step closer to the dream of setting foot on the red planet. As we continue to innovate and adapt, a 5-second stay on Mars may eventually become a stepping stone to a much longer visit, So the question isn't, could you survive 5 seconds on Mars, but are you ready for the adventure? So, what have we learned about a 5-second stay on Mars? Well, quite a lot, actually. We've discovered that Mars isn't exactly a hospitable place for humans, not even for 5 seconds. The radiation levels on the red planet are significantly higher than what we're used to on Earth, posing a potential health risk. Then, there's the temperature. Mars can swing from scorching hot to freezing cold in a matter of hours. This extreme temperature fluctuation is something humans would find challenging to endure, even for a brief period. Yet, despite these daunting conditions, we've also explored the possibility of survival. With the right preparation and protective measures, it's conceivable that a human could endure a 5-second visit to Mars. It would certainly be an extreme experience, one that pushes the boundaries of our capabilities and our understanding of the universe. In conclusion, a 5-second stay on Mars would be an extreme experience, but with the right preparation, it may just be possible to survive.